Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Just a quick information about Samsung's warranties when you're buying household appliances. There is a clear misrepresentation by Samsung here, and the reason I say this is because we purchased a washing machine, what you can see on the screen, back in March this year, and what you can see on the description that it says built to last, 5-year parts and labor plus 20-year digital inverter motor warranty. There is nothing else in stating here that you have to make a redemption so effectively the warranty is 2 years, so the Samsungs are saying now, and you've got to make a promotional redemption within 90 days of purchase to qualify for a further 3-year, which is totaling of 5-year warranty. But when you read this line, it is a very clear misrepresentation by Samsung that there is nothing else to say that you're going to make a redemption. And let's look at the whole page. Let's look at the whole page, okay? So let's see if there is anywhere you can spot where it says redemption to extend your warranty for further 3 years within 90 days of purchase. Let's have a look. So I'll go nice and slowly. You can see the screen for yourself. There's nothing here. Let's move to the right. Nothing here. It talks about the 20-year digital motor warranty. Nothing here either. Now we're moving on to the specification. View more. I'll go all the way down, which there's no need for that. Let's see if there is anything snidey lurking around on this page. Okay, so in general terms, 99.9% of the consumers who will go on Samsung's website will look at this and buy it based on the information under the description, and that's exactly what I did. But once I've spoken to Samsung, the story is different. They're claiming that the warranty, I'm only qualified for 2-year warranty. So the reason for this video is to raise awareness that when you're buying stuff, be very careful that this companies like Samsung are misrepresenting their products at the point of sale. And clearly on this page there is no mention, especially on this description, as I repeat, to state usually you'd have 5-year warranty, labor plus blah blah blah, and then under the warranty you'll have 2 stars. And those 2 stars, like what we have here on above, where it says AI energy, and then end of that sentence is 70%. Can you see the 2 stars? Something like this will be flagged up, so you know that this is you've got to look at something else. There's an add-on, to that, which would have related to an extended. There's nothing clearly here. So what am I going to do? First thing first is that the complaint teams are going to phone me back. It's not looking very promising. Hence, I'm doing this video because already I'm getting this, it's flagging up all these, oh, you should have registered. Well, I'm going to say the sole purpose of me buying this appliance from Samsung Direct is to avoid all this aggravation, all this hassle of registering and all this and that. It's bought from Samsung's own website, UK website. What is there for me to register? The product should be automatically registered. Yes, it's understandable if I bought it from a third party, Amazon, Currys, and so forth. I can understand that. But not when you're buying stuff from Samsung. It's like you're walking into a BMW dealership, buying a brand new an M5 for £120,000. And you're walking out, and then months later there's a warranty-related issue, and you go back and say, "Well, I've got a problem, and it's under warranty." And the sales rep says, "Oh, I'm sorry, but you haven't registered your car with us." with BMW. So your warranty is no longer valid. It's absolutely ludicrously nonsense. So what I tend to advise people is never to buy stuff with your debit card and avoid cash purchases on, expensive items, but always use your credit card. Because worst comes worst, the backup plan is I'm going to file a chargeback with the credit card company, because this is a clear misrepresentation on behalf of Samsung. They've misrepresented the item at the point of sale and the warranty, I should say. So this is a heads up for people that, we're heading towards Christmas now. People will be buying a lot of stuffs for gifts and households and things like this. Just be wary with this. That's all really. I hope you have a great time. Sadly, I have been unwell with a very rare condition which I'm recovering from at the moment, and the least I needed is this nonsense, which is why I've not been uploading videos since last December. Yes, I'm on a recovery, but I'm on a very slow recovery, and I will do a separate video discussing about that, and giving you heads up what, as to how I contracted this disease. It is Guillain-Barré syndrome, GBS. That's as far as I can go for now. I'll tell you now, but in down the line, I will be doing a full, as much as I can, but it's difficult, and to do a full length video as of this moment. But I'm going to try my best to raise awareness. So yeah, but all the best, guys. Have a great holiday coming up, and I'll speak to you soon. Take care. Peace.